A plumbing company should track full service history for every property, including past repairs, installations, water heater age, pipe materials, and any recurring problems, along with customer contact details, job costs, parts used, and permit records tied to each address. Most plumbing companies think historical data just means writing down what repair was done, but the real value comes from tracking patterns over time. Keeping notes on the pipe material in a home, like copper, cast iron, or older galvanized steel, helps a plumber predict what a whole section might fail before it becomes an emergency. Something a lot of people do not realize is that water heaters have an average lifespan of around 10 to 15 years, so tracking the installation date lets a company reach out right before a breakdown is likely and offer a replacement before the customer is stuck with a flood. Tracking local water hardness by neighborhood is another hidden gem, since homes in areas with harder water often need more frequent maintenance on fixtures and water heaters. When this kind of information is kept organized in a simple database, old jobs turn into future revenue because the company reaches out at exactly the right time instead of waiting for a stressful emergency call. One common mistake is only recording what was fixed without noting why it broke in the first place, which means the root cause keeps getting missed and the same customer ends up calling back again and again. A simple fix is to always add a short note about the underlying cause, like tree roots, old pipe corrosion, or pressure issue, so future technicians know exactly what to watch for. Another misconception is thinking historical data only matters for big commercial clients, when residential customers benefit just as much, especially for tracking things like septic tank pumping schedules or water softener maintenance. Many companies also forget to track permit and inspection history, which can cause real headaches later if a home is sold or renovated with no record of approved work. So keeping digital copies of every permit tied to the property address saves everyone trouble down the road. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.